So today we're going to be making soft, tender keto coconut flour pancakes. So these pancakes are super soft and fluffy. They're also gluten-free, paleo, and they can even be made in bulk and frozen to make busy mornings even easier. So we're gonna start just by mixing together the dry ingredients. We have coconut flour, flaxseed, and I prefer golden just so the pancakes are a lighter color, but it doesn't really matter. Some keto sweetener. I like a xylitol or a monk fruit allulose blend, but you can use an erythritol based sweetener if you prefer. We have sea salt, baking soda, and cinnamon. This is totally optional, but it gives it some nice flavor if you like cinnamon. So we'll just whisk the dry ingredients together and set them aside. For the wet ingredients, we have 5 large eggs, some avocado oil, non-dairy milk. Even if you eat dairy, I recommend non-dairy milk because the dairy milk has quite a few carbs. A little bit of apple cider vinegar. It's kind of like our homemade buttermilk mixture with the non-dairy milk and apple cider vinegar. And a little bit of pure vanilla. There we go. We'll whisk this together as well. Now we'll just stir the wet ingredients into the dry. It might take a few minutes to get it all mixed together, but just keep going and it'll get there. It'll get nice and smooth. Now that our batter's made, it's time to cook them. So I have a skillet here preheated to 300 degrees or a medium-low heat, and I'm just gonna very lightly grease it. Now we'll just scoop out about a 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake and put on the griddle. Then we'll lightly spread it with the back of the spoon because the batter's just a little bit thick. Now we'll cook it for 1 to 3 minutes or until the edges start to dry out and the bottom is nicely browned. And remember, they won't bubble like traditional pancakes. You'll need to check underneath them to make sure they're browned. And then when they're browned, flip them over and cook an additional 2 to 3 minutes or until they're cooked through. Oh my goodness, you guys, these look and smell so delicious. They fried up to a beautiful golden brown and they got nice and fluffy. So let's try them. Oh wow, these are so soft and tender. They're slightly sweet. They have such good texture and flavor. I know you're going to love them. And be sure to check out this maple syrup from Wholesome Yum. It's the only maple syrup that I recommend. I've tried all other keto syrups out there, and they all have just like this weird sugar-free aftertaste that I just do not like at all. And you can get this on my website, or they even sell it at Sprouts now, which is pretty awesome. So just top these with whatever you prefer. I like some strawberries, or if you like blackberries, blueberries, a little bit of fruit. Some people like peanut butter, and then this keto maple syrup and butter, and you will have the best morning ever. And if you like this recipe and you want to see more like it, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell below to be alerted each time we post a new video. I'll see you next time.